Nuclear power is pretty common and often the topic of discussion, but how do we get energy out of a nucleus? First, you need to understand the parts of an atom. Protons and neutrons are held together by strong nuclear force to make the nucleus, and electrons orbit the nucleus. Uranium is the element most commonly used in nuclear reactions because of its ability to break down and release energy. When there are different amounts of neutrons in the nucleus, different types of that atom are called isotopes. Uranium comes most often in the U-238 isotope, but U-235 is more preferred because of its ability to fission easily. These isotopes of uranium are radioactive and emit radiation in high-energy particles. There are two ways to transform energy with nuclei: fission and fusion. Fission is when a neutron is shot towards the nucleus, causing it to break apart and release energy. Fusion is when two nuclei collide and become stuck together and release energy. Fission is most common in nuclear reactors. However, fusion is capable of working. Inside a nuclear reactor, when uranium nuclei split, more neutrons are released, which can hit more nuclei, and it continues to grow. This has the potential to be very dangerous because so much energy is released. This is why control rods are important. Control rods are made of carbon, boron, or silver, and can easily and safely absorb the excess neutrons to keep the reaction under control. The energy that is released when the nuclear force is broken produces a lot of heat, which is used to boil water. The water quickly turns to steam. This steam flows with great speed past a turbine, which turns a generator that produces electricity. The way energy produced is calculated is by using one of science's most famous equations, E equals mc squared. Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. When you put in the difference of mass from a nucleus before fission and the two from after, you can solve for the energy produced by breaking apart a nucleus. The main downside to nuclear energy is the radioactive byproducts. The reactor core is very radioactive and must be carefully disposed of. Also, the reaction must be kept under control. However, nuclear energy is not too commonly used in the United States. Many people do not want to be around them because of the radiation and the fact that they can be eyesores. Having a nuclear reactor near your house is not pleasing.